The player's acceleration increases at a constant speed as he approaches the net. As he travels to meet the hoop, he abruptly stops. This is due to the friction between the bottom of his sneaker and the gym floor.
As you can see, the friction of the backboard making contact with the ball slows it down. The ball changes direction of acceleration due to gravity and accelerates down at an increasing rate.
Due to the placement of his center of gravity, this player is not able to jump high enough to get the ball into the basket. If he were to lower his center of gravity by squatting, he would have a higher success rate of landing the ball in the basket.
This man has a higher center of gravity due to his height. This is why he is able to jump higher than the other players. When the projectile or ball is shot up towards the basket, the kinetic energy is decreasing until it reaches its highest potential energy, and then it accelerates downward into the hoop.
Since the ball starts off at rest, it wants to stay at rest. This concept is called inertia. When the player rainbow kicks the ball in the air, a projectile is created. Since the player uses a strong force to kick the ball upward, the ball projects towards the air at a fast velocity.
The ball starts off with a high amount of potential energy. As it is released from the player's hands, it is transferred into kinetic energy. The acceleration as it hits the backboard is positive and turns negative as it travels downward.
Since this player is closer to the net, he uses less force to shoot the ball into the basket. Also, he raises his center of gravity, which is another factor that contributes to making his shot successful.
It is easier for this player to shoot the basketball successfully due to his higher center of gravity. Since he is taller than the rest of the players, he is closer to the net and therefore uses less force to shoot the ball into the basket.
Because of the extreme force exerted onto the ball travels a further distance than it would with less force applied. When it bounces off the rim, it causes the ball to lose force and slow down, which allows the ball to move downward in a straight line motion.